I know this is not a popular dialogue. I'm not here to be popular. I could care less. I'm here for the four people who are saying that, you know what? I'm tired of operating at the capacity I've been operating at, and I've been losing. See, when I'm talking to people, I don't get on and discuss your failures. I don't want you to tell me everything that's wrong. See, talking about your failures and talking about your fears, that's a loser's mentality. I don't speak the dialect of losers. I speak the dialect of winning. Hey, what do we have to change in order for you to get the result? And for anybody who's ever worked with me, they can tell you firsthand what is the result you want? What is the goal you're looking to accomplish? Because that's what we're going to focus on. We're not going to focus on what didn't work. I don't care you paid so and so and it didn't work. Let's focus on winning talk.